let's head over to the item shop, check out these amazing skins. By the way, guys, did you know if you go to the bottom right corner, support a creator, you put my code in, Canadian Vapor _YT, hit accept, I got a support a creator code now, and I greatly appreciate that. Alright guys, today we are jumping into another creative video. I went ahead and made an easy death run. It's called Riley's Easy Death Run. But before we start the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel as always. And if you already liked the video, or you know you're gonna like the video, or you're gonna play this map, make sure to drop a like on the video and comment down below what you think of this map. Comment one already, okay? But anyways, we're gonna go ahead. I made this death run. It's a small death run. There's like 6 or 7 levels in it. I'll quickly just fly around and show you guys the map. So here's where you spawn in, and that's the last level. Pretty simple. A few few levels, something easy for you guys to play, because a lot of the people I play with can't even beat my death runs. Even though they're pretty easy now, they still can't beat my death runs. So I went ahead and made an easier death run so anyone can play. If you suck at death runs, hop up in this death run, practice it, and then go ahead and try my $100 death run. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna run through this death run right now. I'm gonna go to my island, set it all up. The code is in the description. Okay, I just realized I wasn't recording in 60 frames, so sorry about the shitty quality. Let's go ahead, try this again. All right, timer started. Let's grab my impulses. Now this is the level that gets me every time. Focus. Okay, we're doing good so far. We're on level 3. Oh my god, I almost screwed up. Super simple levels, like I said. Doesn't take much work to do them. This is a little bit hard to do. To get a perfect run, you gotta stay ice if you want that good time. Okay, beautiful. Let's see if we can one-shot this level. This level's pretty simple also. All the levels are pretty simple. And this is the last level right here, you guys. Actually, this is the second last level. I lied. Go right through. We're gonna go ahead and set this thing off. Set this one off. Set off. Oh, shit. I put no chops on the walls or anything like that, so you can practice your little wall jump or your wall chops. All right. Whew. You know, I could have probably went faster there. Let's go for another run. Let's see if we can't go faster. Okay. Go. Come on. Come on, baby. Now, I did make a video of me building this map, but for some reason, all my videos that I filmed yesterday did not come out proper. Like, they just didn't save to my desktop. They didn't save at all. They were there. I went to go transfer them onto my MacBook, and they were gone, or you guys would have had this video hours ago. So I gotta refilm it all. Okay, Riley, focus. We got this. We got this. Grab my impulse. Go, go, go. No! Okay. Okay. Let's just end the game. I'm not going to try to go for a faster run. I'm going to keep this video on the shorter side of things, just so you guys actually watch it and, you know, try it out. It's not bad. Pretty fun death run. I think it's a fairly easy death run. A lot of the people, like I said, that I play with can't even beat any death runs that we normally play, or they usually give up too easily. So this is a perfect death run if you're like that and you just like feel like playing a death run and feel like being able to beat it and, you know, challenge yourself to going for a faster time. This should be not too bad for you guys. Some people it might be a challenge to, just some of the levels. I know this level was challenging at start for me. But anyways, you guys, that's this video. Easy death run for anyone. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a big thumbs up on it. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. Use supporter creator code Canadian Vapor _YT. I also have another supporter creator code, but it's just Riley199. I think I'm gonna figure out which one I want to use, see if people are actually gonna be using the supporter creator or not. But anyways, guys, that's this video. I'm gonna go ahead and record another video, so make sure you guys go and turn on post notifications when you do subscribe to my channel. If you already do, just click the bell, and so you never miss a video, because next video I'm gonna go give myself 5 minutes on 5 different death runs and see if I can't beat them. And also, I am building a Nether Death Run, where you can go ahead and practice different levels of death runs. So I'm gonna have like 15 levels, maybe 10 15 levels in that death run, where you just go in the map and you can just practice certain levels so you can get good at them, and they'll be labeled and everything. Super simple for, say, if you're doing like a speed run on someone's course and you get stuck on certain levels and you can't beat them, or you suck at baiting traps, stuff like that. They'll all be set up. I know people can do that on themselves, but I'm gonna set up pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, it's been Riley and a pleasure making a video for you guys. Make sure you guys do subscribe. It does help me out a lot. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Turn on those post notifications and use support a Canadian Vapor _what T, baby. Peace.